Today, we're diving into the world of software development and exploring the fascinating concept of continuous deployment. Before we jump in, let's break down what continuous deployment really means. Continuous deployment is a software development practice that focuses on automating the release and deployment of code changes to production environments. It's like having a magic wand that seamlessly delivers new features, bug fixes, and enhancements to end users without any manual intervention. Here's how it works. Developers write code and commit it to a version control system. Then, automated tests and security scans are executed to ensure that the application functions as expected and doesn't introduce any regressions or new issues. If the test passed successfully, the code is automatically deployed to the production environment. It's like having your own team of robots working tirelessly to ensure that everything runs smoothly. Now that we understand the basics, let's dive into the benefits of continuous deployment. One of the key benefits of continuous deployment is the ability to deliver new features and updates to users quickly and frequently. Instead of waiting for large releases, organizations can release small, incremental changes as soon as they're ready. This allows businesses to respond rapidly to users' feedback, market demands, and changing requirements. Continuous deployment also promotes a culture of continuous improvement and learning. By deploying changes frequently, teams can gather real-time feedback from users and make iterative improvements based on that feedback. This iterative approach helps in identifying and addressing issues early and resulting in higher quality software. Another benefit of continuous deployment is the reduction of manual errors and human intervention in the deployment process. By automating the deployment pipeline, organizations can minimize the risk of human error and ensure consistency in the deployment process. This leads to more reliable and predictable deployments, reducing downtime and improving overall system stability. Continuous deployment enables organizations to achieve faster feedback loops. With automated testing and monitoring systems in place, any issue or regression can be detected and addressed promptly. This allows teams to identify and fix problems early in the development cycle, preventing them from reaching the production environment. Furthermore, continuous deployment supports the concept of fail fast, fail forward. By continuously deploying small changes, organizations can quickly identify and rectify any failures or issues. This approach encourages experimentation and innovation, as teams can take calculated risks without the fear of causing significant disruptions. While continuous deployment offers numerous benefits, it also presents several challenges that organizations need to address. Maintaining code stability is crucial in continuous deployment. Organizations need to ensure that each deployment does not introduce new bugs or errors into the production environment. This requires rigorous testing and quality assurance processes to catch any issues before they are deployed. Typically, continuous deployment uses phased deployment strategies like Canary releases. These ensure that at first, only a small number of users experience the new version of the software. Only after it's proven to work in production for a small number of users is the software rolled out to everyone. Effective artifact management mechanisms are essential in continuous deployment. In case a deployment introduces critical issues or bugs, the ability to roll back to a previous stable version quickly is essential. Continuous deployment requires comprehensive monitoring and alerting systems to detect and respond to issues promptly. Implementing robust monitoring tools and establishing clear alerting thresholds can help organizations proactively address issues and minimize downtime. Ideally, the deployment mechanism and the monitoring systems are linked so that the problems can automatically trigger rollbacks. Continuous deployment introduces additional security and compliance considerations. Organizations must ensure that the deployment process adheres to security best practices and complies with relevant regulations. Now that we've explored the benefits and challenges, let's clarify the difference between continuous deployment and continuous delivery. Continuous deployment is a practice where every code change that passes the automated tests is automatically deployed to production. This means that once the code changes are committed and pass all the necessary tests, they are immediately released to end users without any manual intervention. Unlike continuous deployment, continuous delivery does not automatically deploy every code change to production. Instead, it ensures that the software is always in a releasable state, allowing organizations to deploy at any time with minimal effort. In summary, continuous deployment is like having a superpower that allows organizations to deliver software updates to users quickly, efficiently, and with minimal risk. By embracing continuous deployment, organizations can stay ahead of the curve, innovate faster, and deliver exceptional experiences to their users. And that's a wrap for today's video. Now that you've gotten the scoop on continuous deployment, be sure to check out some of our other videos from the DevOps Academy to learn more about software development. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content on software development and technology.